Lost your 350Z key fob, or just need to program a new one? This video will show you how to program a 2003-2009 Nissan 350Z key fob yourself, saving you money compared to dealer programming. This method relies on your car's onboard computer and a specific sequence of actions. Note, this programs the remote functions, lock-unlock. Transponder chip programming may require a locksmith. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and making sure all doors are closed and unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition switch, but do not start the engine. Cycle the key from the off position to the on position 6 times in quick succession, ending in the on position. You should see the hazard lights flash, indicating programming mode is active. Immediately press any button on the key fob you want to program. The hazard lights should flash again to confirm. If you have additional fobs, immediately press any button on each of them. The hazard lights will flash after each fob. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Test all programmed fobs to ensure they lock and unlock the doors. If programming fails, retry the process, paying close attention to timing. Aftermarket fobs from brands like Keyless Ride are typically compatible. Rechargeable options are also available to extend battery life.